Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I changed up my Christmas stockings this year. This has been my Christmas stocking situation in past years, and as you can see, it's all different. So I wanted it to be more uniform, and I think that just looks a little bit more, grown up. So I had to find some stockings that I liked, and these were actually quite nice from DollarTree for $1. And then I needed some name tags, so I'm going to use the Christmas trees. And since my Christmas theme is snowmen, I had to throw these in there. I had to buy these from a de-stash site because they're nowhere to be found in my town. Some twine so that I could tie them to hang them from the stocking. Some eye hooks. And the first thing I did was I just used some green acrylic paint and I painted the trees on both sides just in case the tree flipped on the stocking. I wanted it to be covered. And there's Quarantino. He's checking out my progress. And then I took some gold metallic paint and I painted stars back and front of each tree. And then with some white paint, I think I used chalk paint, and I just added some snow to the edges. And with my Cricut, I wrote everybody's names in Christmas time font. Then I painted all my snowmen, and some of them accidentally have faces because that's how I messed up with the paintbrush, but that's okay. Then I put some eye hooks in the top of each snowman. And then I just tied them to each stocking with the snowman laying snugly on top of the tree. Then I wanted to hang them up on my fake mantle, which is just a ledge. So I got some command hooks and a wooden dowel. And the dowel should just not be wider than the command hook so that it sits nicely. And then I hung up my stockings the way I always did, directly on the dowel. But then I thought I want them to really hang off so everyone can pull their stocking off rather than have to dig in. So I found these really cool S hooks on Amazon for $10 under $8. So I thought that was a really good deal. And then I just hung my stockings. Oh, I did paint my dowel and my command hooks black. I should have told you that part. And then I hung my stockings by family and age order. And then I thought, oh, I have all this like greenery that I bought at Target, like for 90% off. So I'm going to make a little fake garland out of them. So I had 3 different garlands, and none of them were an evergreen. So I attached all my evergreens together, all my garlands together, and then I also took some DollarTree of the fancy picks, and I zip tied them onto the garland, and then I had a much more full looking garland, and now I have a place to hang my stockings that looks very nice. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.